Today I will show you how to create a face tracking effect in After Effects. First, you need to have a clip to perform the face tracking on. That's very logical, haha. Next, we need to add the tracker mode. If you do not have the panel, you can exit it by clicking on Window and selecting Tracker from the drop down menu. Then, go to the tracker and click on Stabilize Motion. Make sure that you are at the beginning of the timeline and then drag the tracker between the eyes. At first, it might not look right when you try it, but you can always go back using the shortcut Ctrl-Z. Once you have finished, click on the play button. When the dots appear on the screen, click on Apply and then press OK. Finally, we need to adjust the clip to make sure that you don't see any black bars. You can use the scale and position tools to fine-tuning it. There we go, now you have created a face tracking effect in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.